Okay, we've got a bit of a situation here. We've got a bit of this lead roll hip. It's slipped down basically, so I'm going to put it down there. The lead's in good nick, so I'll be reusing that. No point in adding to the drama. And here we have the old lead roll, which is in a horrible state. See the way over the years it's slipped down on its fixings. Second bit of lead goes right down to there. Good heavy bit of lead. They didn't skimp on it. I think we're talking about code 5 here, which is good because you get quite a lot of wind lift on these. Right, so somebody's put batten on there. That's going to be half the problem. Instead of using the right thing, the lead roll, someone just stuck a bit of batten on. It's about 100 years old, this, if not more. And unfortunately, it's part of the timber. It's not a bit of nailed on rubbish. Let's see if I can cut it out. Hey, I'm going to chuck those in the skip, all right? One of them anyway. So these kinds of jobs, it's difficult to know where to stop really, because the wood's rotten, so I've replaced most of the wood. Really the whole lot could be stripped off, but the roof was done not that long ago, so most of it, the battens and the nailing of the slates is fine. So it's just where the wind's lifted up these hips that there is any kind of problem. But the lead looks in good nick, so I'm going to leave that. That's put it back in the dry, and from the ground it looks all right. It's not offensive to the eye, but you can see where the old lead roll was, where the wood has dipped, and there's a couple of little dents in it, but we can't do much about that other than just take all the lead off, flatten it all out and start again. And the biggest expense, 25 quid for some copper nails, and of course my labour.